What up? What is up? What is up? Happy people, man. I'm so excited, man, about this morning, man. Oh my God, y'all. How y'all doing this morning? Hey, welcome to Option Nerds Podcast, man. I'm your host, the Holly's the Options Guru, bro. We do everything options here, man. Listen, man, y'all check out Point Apparel Clothing when you get a chance, pointapparelclothing.com. Hey, listen, we just want to bring you guys closer to God, man. Y'all like and share this video, man. Make sure you connect with us on YouTube and make sure that you are hitting that like button. Make sure that you guys are also subscribing to this. We're trying to get to 25 subscribers. I know that's not a lot. People are like, oh, man, that's not even a lot. No, it's not, man. We just started this thing. But listen, man, we want you guys to come in, man. Check out Option Nerds Podcast. We want you guys to get some information. Listen, I got the news behind me, man. Y'all can see it's going crazy, man. I'm gonna put this thing on mute real quick, man. Listen, man, we got a lot to talk about this morning, and I'm gonna try to get it in and do it as quickly as possible. But I need you guys' help, okay? So listen, guys, I need you guys to comment. I need you to share this thing, and I need you to make sure that you're asking questions as well, guys. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Before we do that, man, you know we got to get some disclaimers out here. Guys, we are not financial advisors, so please do your own due diligence. Please do your own research on all plays and decisions. This show is for edutainment only. I'll say it again. This show is for edutainment only, okay, guys? We just want to provide you guys with the news and the information, guys, and you put it in your Rolodex and your repertoire, and guess what, guys? Hey, you use it at your will, and at your discretion, all right? Man, we're going to talk about a couple things, man. We're going to talk about a couple things today, man. Two things, man, that I want to get at. First, I want to talk about President Biden's and Congress suspending the national gas tax. Now, I know a lot of people saw that and probably like, well, how will that affect the market? Well, you have to understand there's been such a big thing when it comes to crude oil and gas, okay? So by him suspending that gas tax, it offers a little bit of relief, I'm just being honest, for the gas pump. So it doesn't mean it's immediately going to go down, but you're going to start seeing that $5 go to $4.75, and then that $4.75 go to $4.50. It really does help people when it comes to that gas tax. So that could cause the market to go up a little bit because it frees up a little bit of income from people, and now people are not making lifetime decisions at the gas pump. The next thing that it does, on the flip side, it could cause more demand, okay? It could cause more demand for gas, okay? So I'm interested to really see what's going to go on with this and see how this is going to work out in Congress and how this is going to play out with gas prices and also with other companies that really support this, support having a gas tax and really have benefited from that, like your Exxons, your Chevrons, your BPs, and places like that. So y'all stay tuned for that, guys. But that's one of the things that's still pushing the market. But the biggest thing that's probably really, really, really driving the market down this morning, we're going to get into the futures right now. But man, when I tell you they are down, guys, they are down. Okay, but one of the biggest things that's driving the market down is the fact that Fed Chairman Powell today has the semi-annual monetary policy report coming out today, and basically, guys, this is what a lot of people are on edge about. Okay. My wife is sitting up here texting me, guys. You got to respond to mama when she texts. But listen, yeah, it's almost like when Fed Chairman Powell, whenever he speaks, and let me be very honest with you guys, we're not nervous about basis points or whether he's going to go from 75 to 100. That's not really the big thing. We're not worried about CPI, PPI, but anytime the Fed Chairman is going to speak and he's going to talk about money, guys, the market is always on edge, okay? Especially when you already know that you're getting a little bit of bad news already in the market, or you're getting bad news with companies and all that. Listen, it's always a hard time when Fed Chairman Powell speaks, guys. So at 9:30 today, guys, he's going to be speaking, and everybody's on the edge. They want to hear what he's going to say, and we don't know what he's going to say. Okay, we really don't. He may talk about the gas tax. I doubt he will. He may talk about that. He may talk about of the 75 basis points. He may even give a little bit of insight about what the Fed is going to do to cause a slowdown in inflation and relieve people of a recession mindset. We don't know what he's going to say, guys. So whenever he's talking, everybody's on the edge, and everybody is saying, "Hey, listen, we don't know what he's going to say, and we'd rather be safe than sorry." So guess what? We're gonna pump and dump. So what you're probably going to see when the market opens up, you're going to see this huge pump up. Boom! It's going to skyrocket, right? Then, as soon as he begins to speak and he begins to give his points and he begins to tell you guys how he feels, guess what? It's just going to drop. Bow. All right. So right now, if I'm not mistaken, let me go and look at where the market is right now. Let me go and look. Okay. So right now, guys, we got NASDAQ down about 174, which is down 1.5% in the pre-market. We got the S&P down 55, and we got the Dow down 407. Now, let me explain something to you about these numbers, guys. These are not hard numbers. These are not bad numbers to come into the market with. They're just not. I know it looks like, oh, they're in the red and this, that, and the other. But if you go look at major stocks, guys, this morning, they're not really that bad. Tesla's only down $12.32 after going up almost $70 yesterday. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, guys, take into consideration that this is only a scare tactic, okay? I want you to look at this. This is only a scare tactic. Now, it's not an intentional one, but it is a scare tactic. When you see companies like Tesla, companies like CrowdStrike, companies like Apple, who else? Companies like Neo, all these guys, man. Let me tell you some. Facebook, Twitter. Let me tell you something. What's going on. This is where you see investors kind of say, okay, I'm gonna let go of something, but I'm not gonna let go of everything, because one, he could say something that's beneficial. Okay. And if he says something that's beneficial that causes the market to spike up, well, guess what? If I put an option play in, then I'm not so far out of the money, or I'm not so far down that's going to cause me an arm and a leg to get in this thing. However, listen, I'm already in the selling mode. If he says something crazy, guess what? I can just go ahead and let it keep selling off, if that makes sense. So you got to look at the market and say, wait, hold on. This thing is only down $11.36 now. It's about to go to 700, which means that, hey, listen, there's not just a sentiment in the market that, hey, we're going to sell. So although you see red, guys, don't take a seller's mentality today. It is red, and it's going to come in red. But I need you to kind of expand your mindset and look at this past what it's showing you. Wait, hold on. You obviously don't feel like it's horrible because you went up 60 points yesterday, 70 points almost yesterday, but now you're only down 11 in the pre-market. And you was down, just being honest with you was down 12 in the pre-market. So I need you guys to kind of see this, because some people will look at this and be like, oh my God, it's red. No. That's not what this is showing you right now. What it's showing you is caution. It's showing you caution before the 9:30 report being delivered by Fed Chairman Powell. Okay, and that's the semi-annual monetary policy report that he's going to be talking about this morning at about 9:30. I think it's 9:30. Okay, so I want you to be very cautious at the open. That's why we always talk about, hey, give it 10, 15, 20 minutes before you start really picking your plays, because you need to figure out what people are really going to be doing, because this news is vital news. We just don't know which way it's going to go. And because we don't know which way it's going to go, we can't say whether the market is going to be bearish today or bullish today, because there's not a huge loss. I mean, it's only 1.6% off from yesterday's highs, when that thing went up to almost 715, 716. It went up 60 points, 70 points at one point, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so you got to look at that, guys. So although Tesla's one of my favorite stocks, but guys, although you see this thing is down 1142, don't fall for the okie doke. But we'll get into that in just a second. Okay? But I want you guys to pay attention to the market. Pay attention to it, all right? Do not jump in and be like, oh, it's going down. It may go down. And if you look at the futures, it looked like it's going down. But I want you to understand, these futures are not bad right now. Okay? These futures are not bad. They're not coming in bad. The NASDAQ is only down 1.5%. That's not bad. Okay? The S&P is only down 1.4%. Now, if that thing is down 2%, 3%, 4%, then we know that's and we've seen that in the last week or so. a couple of weeks. We've seen the futures be down 2%, 3%, 4%. Heck, last week it was at 4%. So we know that this is not a bearish market. Not today. Now, we're not talking about overall. We're talking about just today. It's not a bearish market. Okay, there may be some bearish type things go on, but it's not looking like a bearish market today. It's looking like a market that went all the way up yesterday and is now kind of resetting itself with a slight pullback of anywhere from 5 to 15% anywhere across the board. That's what it's looking like. And normally, guys, pullbacks are simply 10% from the original price, especially the close price. So pay attention to that, guys. Okay? All right, cool. Let's get into it, guys. So what am I looking at today, guys? Let's look at companies that I'm watching today. I'm obviously watching NIO. NIO is slowly becoming a favorite of mine. Okay, NIO, I made some good money. One of the companies I'm looking at today too, y'all. Coke. Coke milk is crazy, y'all. Anyway, I know Cashman's over there like, oh my God, I can't believe you did that. But listen, guys. So companies I'm watching, I'm literally watching NIO, guys. Again, NIO is a favorite of mine. It's only down 1.8% in the pre-market. There's no doubt in my mind. I think NIO is going to go to $23 again. I will be getting a call in NIO probably around 8:45, 9 o'clock, depending on which way the market goes. But we'll talk a little bit more about that. But I'm looking at NIO, man. NIO is really, really, really taking a charge higher. And listen, I wouldn't be surprised if NIO is a $30 stock at the end of the year. All right. So I'm looking at also getting maybe 10 shares of NIO as well, because I believe at the end of the year right now, this is a great time to get in NIO. It really, really is. Because guys, listen to me. I think Tesla is actually, and I forgot to put Tesla on here, but I should have put Tesla on here. Listen, I believe Tesla's going to be at 800 by the end of the month. All right. I believe Tesla's going to be at 800 by the end of the month. It definitely will not be at 700. All right. It definitely will not be at 700. But so, guys, let me tell you something right now. And this is for my option traders. I will probably be getting an option for Tesla for 2 months out at probably about 900 or 1,000. I'll probably be doing that. All right. I'm just being honest with you. I'm probably going to do that. We're just going to put a long play out there. I think Tesla is going to be there. I'm probably going to get a NIO play for January of next year. And I'm going to probably put it, I don't know, maybe 27, 28, something like that. Okay, guys, these are the plays that's going to make you financially free. And a lot of times we don't look at options as doing that type of deal, but it does. Okay, you can do options just like stocks. Just put it out. You make more money in options than you do stocks anyway. So I'd rather invest, $500 or $600 in NIO for 7 months out and just let that thing do what it do. Same thing with Tesla. And then because they're going to go up, guys, these stocks will double. They will go up another 10, 15%. Okay, but I'm not going to stay there with that. I just want to let you guys know that that's kind of what I'm looking at. Apple, guys, right now Apple is at 134.24. I'm actually in an Apple play this morning, guys. Actually, I'm in a $40 call on Apple for this weekend. I believe right now that Apple you're probably going to see Apple go up to about 138, 139 this week. I believe that's where Apple is going to go. Apple has a lot of AI news, a lot of augmented reality news, and there's a huge news concerning Apple and Facebook. But guys, I want you to keep looking at Apple, guys. I think Apple is going to do really, really well today. I'm excited to see what it's going to do at the opening. CrowdStrike, guys, is SPY. SPY is always one of those things, man, you just really got to keep your eyes on. You just really do. Right now, it's coming in at 369.37, down about almost $6, and down 1.5%. I think SPY could test 370, 373. Depending on this news, but again, everything is going to open red, guys. But I'm telling you, when the market opens red, we always get a big boom. Look at what Tesla is doing right now. It's at 701.90. I told you guys, it's not going. This is a telltale sign that, hey, wait, hold on, it's not a bearish day just yet. It might be a bearish moment, but it's not a bearish day. Okay, and that's a difference. Okay, because when you got a bearish day, we're playing puts. We're going puts to the down. But when it's a bearish moment, I'm not putting puts in, because I'm not going to put a put in for something to go down $1 and pull it out. That just doesn't make sense. You're not going to make any money unless you put a ton of money in. Okay, but if I'm going to give, say, a Tesla, I'm going to get Tesla extremely out of the money. I believe Tesla can go up another $25, $30. It's Tesla. It is not at anywhere close to its high. It's just not. And it's getting ready to come to a stock split, just like Google, just like Shopify. All those things are getting ready to split. So, guys, we're ready. That's another thing, guys. Next week, Shopify, it's going to split. All right, and I believe it's on the 28th, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, now no one's really talking about that right now. No one's talking about it. And I didn't put it up here, which I should have, but no one's talking about it. They're doing the 3-to-1 split. Okay, I think it's 3-to-1, or it's 10-to-1. Maybe 10-to-1. I'm tripping. Okay, but guys, you got to get a share. You got to get an option play in there. Okay, I don't care if it's $1,000. You want to get an option play in there, guys, because it's going to go up as soon as that thing pops up. It just is. I don't care what the market is doing. It's going to go up, and when it goes up, that is your payday. All right, but I will keep you abreast on that. I'll keep you abreast on that, guys. Bitcoin, guys, man. I don't know what to say about crypto. All I can say is get in while you can. That's all I can say. If crypto is dipping down 15,000, 13,000, 19,000, 18,000, listen, guys, don't be crazy. Get in there. Get in there. Okay? I don't care how far down it's going. You do the same thing with stocks, you dollar cost average. I dollar cost average even in options. I'm actually doing a training to where we're going to be talking about how you dollar cost average in options. We don't talk about that much, but you can dollar cost average in options, especially when you got options long term. There's nothing that says I can't buy more options. Okay, if I got something out 2 to 3 weeks and that thing starts to dip a little bit, why wouldn't I buy another option as it dips? That doesn't make sense to me. I may be losing money over here, but I'm about to gain money over here. Why? Because when it goes up, I'm going to fill that gap. But that's something we need to talk about. I'm not going to talk about it on this show today, but I just wanted to put that on your mind, guys. I'm looking at Bitcoin. I'm looking at CrowdStrike is just my bread and butter. I said 161, only down 2.2%. Listen, great time to jump in CrowdStrike. I probably will get maybe a 175 call or a 180 call maybe 2 weeks out, just because I know CrowdStrike could get up to 180 easy. All right, so guys, I'm just looking at some of these guys, these plays, man, and these are just plays I'm watching. Guys, let's get into the nitty gritty of what we're going to be doing today. Okay. All right, let's go. All right, guys. So as I told you guys, NEO, man, I'm starting to really take a big liking. Let's see what we got right there. Okay. S&P. All right. So I just had to look at it, guys. Eventually, guys, we're gonna put the TV up there so you guys can see it, or maybe put it over here. We're gonna do some other things. So, guys, please be patient with me. We got you covered. All right. But I'm looking at NEO, guys, and again, I really like NEO. I jumped at NEO early yesterday. And really had a lot of success in NEO. NEO's at 22.27. It's only down 1.7%, 39 cents. Let me tell you something, guys. With NEO could easily get up to $23 easily. I know you see where we talking about. I have put in at 22.25, but I don't see that happening. It may dip a little bit at the open, but I think NEO is going to go to $23. I'm really looking to jump into NEO right when it hits around, and this is just me. I know what I put here, but because the gap is so short and NEO can take off like that around 22.75, I'm probably going to put my call in. Okay. Now, here's the deal: if the market opens up choppy, or we got some horrible news from Fed Chairman Powell, I may wait a little bit, maybe that 20 minutes, 30 minutes, till 9 o'clock before I actually go ahead and put my call in. But I'm telling you guys, I believe right now where the futures are right now, that you're going to get a little bit of a pop. I think you're going to be surprised at the open. The Dow is down, man. The Dow is down 444, but that's not common for the Dow. But I think when Neo comes in, I think you're going to have a great opportunity to catch this at the 22.50 mark, 22.75 mark, and ride that thing up to about 23.70, 24. Get out of there, make you $150, and then go ahead and go on about the rest of your day. I believe that's the way this is going to be today. Okay, so guys, pay attention to Neo. Okay, please pay attention to Neo, guys. Listen, guys, I have been messing with IBM. Let me tell you something. I've been messing, guys, with IBM International. I've been messing with it for so long. International Business Machines. Somebody just texted me and asked me, what does IBM stand for? International Business Machines. But listen, I have been messing with IBM for over 2 to 3 weeks right now. And right now, I like what I see in IBM, guys. After having a $2.83 day yesterday, going up to about 2% yesterday, that's what it's only inevitable that you're going to get a little dip, and it's only around about 0.69%. It's not a huge dip, so I still look at IBM going to the upside a little bit. It's coming in again at 136.90. I don't see it going down to 136, guys, to get in that put. I just don't. I see it going up. So, guys, take a look at the 137.25 entry point. I'm going to put those plays on. I'm going to put those plays on the group this morning so you guys can have them. But I think right now IBM at 137.25 is going to be good. Again, guys, I think everything's going to pop this morning, okay? I think everybody's waiting on Fed Chairman Powell speak, but I think everything's going to pop, guys. Again, guys, FedEx, guys. Take a look at FedEx, guys. Take a look at FedEx. I like FedEx. I like how it ran. It's coming in a little low, 1.1% lower at 227.85, but I still think to the upside, you're going to be great. It ended yesterday at 230.52, and I think we're still going to get there again. Excuse me. It's under 228 right now, so just kind of be cautious with that and be a little bit more be patient with that, okay? And I think that's where we're at. Am I done? Let me see. Are we with that don't play? Let me see. Oh, I didn't put, you know what? I got to put this one on here. I got to put this on here, guys. Because I told you guys I would. I told you guys I would. I told you guys I would. So, listen. I told you guys I would. I told you guys I would put this one up. Okay, now I was going to hold this one. I ain't going to lie to you. I was going to hold this one. But I knew I was going to put this one up, guys. I wanted you guys to see this. Listen, guys, a lot of times we're not paying attention, guys, to different companies, man. But Coca-Cola, I want you to pay attention to today, guys. I know I have a put set at $60.20. I do, because it's coming in right now at $60.07. It's only down 0.71% in the pre-market. But yesterday, Coke had a 2% raise yesterday. And I like what I'm seeing in Coke, because Coke is getting ready to diversify their actual brand. So I like what I'm seeing in Coke. So, guys, look at this. It's a very short window. Coke is a very slow curve. So I'm telling you guys, your stay in Coke needs to be short. All right, but I will probably get in when I see Coke start going up past that 60.75 mark. I may start to get in. I may ride that thing up to 61, 61.50, and then get up out of there. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know what I'm doing in Coke, because I know some of you guys were texting me and was on the group. Hey man, what you think about Coke? I think Coke is diversifying really well, but I'm not going to stay in Coke that long. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go, guys, to the voice of reading thought for the day, guys. What we need to be looking at today, guys, this is going to be really quick, guys. Listen, it's the Red Sea at open, guys. It is the Red Sea at open. Guys, don't fall for the okie doke, guys. It's going to open up red. Okay, it's going to open up red. However, this is where you take your time and you check. Just because it's starting to dip don't mean that it's going to be red. We're still waiting to hear what Fed Chairman Powell is going to say. We're still waiting to see how this news is going to affect as far as the gas tax being taken away. We're still waiting on some information, guys, that could really determine the up or down motion of the market. Okay, so please, guys, it's going to open up red. Okay, number two, don't stay long. This is not today to stay long, okay? If you find a stock and you're happy with that stock, get in, get out, have an out point, put your stop loss in. Please do not stay that long. Take profits, guys. Take your profits. Don't be crazy. All right. Oh, it's going to get higher. Oh, I'm going to kill them. No, this is not the day to kill them. All right. So take your profits. And of course, guys, at the end of the day, guys, bounces are not your friend. Bounces are not your friend. Do not wait to see if this thing's going to bounce. Do not wait. We're going to hit the 200-day moving average and hit the support, and boom, it's going to bounce. Don't wait for that. All right. When you get your profits, take them. All right. I don't care if it's $50. I don't care if it's $100. I don't care if it's $200. Live to fight another day. Okay. If you made $100 today, guess what? You made more than probably 90% of the people you know. All right. So don't be crazy with that. All right. Listen, guys, that's my time, man. I love you guys with the love of the Lord, man. Thank you guys for checking us out this morning. Do me a favor, man. I want you to hit that like, subscribe button, hit that notification bell, guys. So whenever we come up, guys, guess what? You guys get a notification, guys. We don't want you to miss it. We're going to also start dropping daily videos as well so that you guys can get the motivation you need to do the things you're supposed to do to get the wealth that you and your family deserve. Listen, literally, guys, we love you with the love of the Lord. Remember to uplift Christ wherever you go, and do me a favor, make the rest of your day the best of your day, guys. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.